Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing the Apple AirPods 4 versus the JBL Live Flex 3. So, if you don't know what these two are, the Apple AirPods 4 is Apple's latest open-fit wireless earbuds available in two models, which are the standard version and another one with active noise cancelling. So, they feature H2 chip, offering enhanced audio quality, voice isolation, and personalized spatial audio. And JBL Flex 3, on the other hand, is a premium open-stick true wireless earbud from JBL, boasting true adaptive noise cancelling, a smart charging case, and with a touchscreen display and high-res audio with JBL's signature sound. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with the Apple AirPod 4 here. So the pros of it is that it has seamless integration with all Apple devices. It has personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. It has voice isolation for clearer calls, and it has a compact design with IP54 dust and water resistance, and USB-C and wireless charging support. Now the cons of it is that it is limited in customization options. So basically, Apple doesn't offer a lot of customization options when it comes to their products. Mainly, if you want to customize your AirPods, you will get them from third-party companies, and the active noise cancelling performance may not match in-ear design, so these earphones are not in-ear unlike other ones. So as you can see right here, these are just like normal AirPods. And it has optimal functionality primarily within the Apple ecosystem. So if you're using an Android device, it may be harder to connect to rather than using an iPhone. So let's go over the pros and cons of the JBL Live Flex 3 right here. So the pros of it is that it has true adaptive noise cancelling with customizable levels, and it has smart charging case with a 1.45-inch touchscreen for app-free control, and it has high-res audio with JBL signature sound, extended life battery up to 50 hours total, and multi-point connection and Google Finder integration. Now the cons of it is that it has bulkier and charging case compared to the other competitors like this one, the Apple AirPods 4. And touchscreen case may have a learning curve. As you can see, it is pretty hard to navigate since it's very small. And optimal functionality primarily within the Android ecosystem. So unlike the AirPods, which has optimal functionality for Apple ecosystem, this one has optimal functionality within the Android ecosystem. So which one is right for you? So you should choose the Apple AirPods 4 if you're deeply integrated into the Apple ecosystem. So for example, you have an Apple Watch, you have an iPhone, or an iPad, or Mac laptop. You should choose the Apple AirPods 4. So, and inversely, you should opt for the JBL Live Flex 3 if you prefer customizable noise cancellation, extended battery life, and a feature-rich experience, especially if you're an Android user. So you don't need an Android to use these. You can own an iPhone and use these, but it is better if you own an Android and have these. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.